Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna be filming my really simple, natural looking soft glam makeup for you guys. So this is what I do when I'm really not in the mood to do like a full face beat or anything. I've already done my skincare routine and I'll link that skincare routine in the description below so you guys can check it out. I did a morning and a nighttime skincare routine, so if you want to see that, the link is below. So first things first, I'm using Vaseline to prime my lips. Honestly, I prefer Vaseline over lip gloss. What I like to do is I like to apply setting spray and then apply my foundation. So I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish. It's not focusing, but let me just go ahead and spray that. Kind of like let that sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my Lancome foundation. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I am in the shade 495 Sue W. So I just put 3 pumps on my wrist, on the back of my hand actually, sorry. I use a setting spray to spray the brush so it's a little bit damp, just 1, and then I go in with the foundation and I just cover everything. I don't like put too much because I don't want it to look too cakey. I just want it to look as smooth and flawless as possible while still looking natural. So as you can see, for the most part, my blemishes are covered. It doesn't look like it's covered, it just looks like I just have really smooth and even skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced pomade in a pencil for my brows, sorry. And then I'm just gonna brush them out to get the shape. There we go. And then I brush it again. So what I like about this pencil is that it acts like a gel. So when each stroke that you draw on the hairs on your eyebrows, it holds it there, and then you can fix it with the brush tip. So I like to do that. Yep. Just to kind of, you know, add some definition to my brows. So what I don't like to do when I'm doing my brows is draw anything too much right here, because I don't like that boxy look. I like it to look like it's natural, it's light. So right here I kind of put a little bit too much, but I can like go ahead and like brush it out until it looks natural. So for here, just need to add a little bit more to match up to that one. There we go. After I do my brows, I like to go in with concealer. So this concealer is also from NYX or NYX, like whatever you call it, and it's called Can't Stop Won't Stop. I use it in the shade Golden, and I just apply it under my eye to get rid of any like dark circles. I don't really have dark circles all that much, but you know, I like that very smooth under eye. So I just do that, and then I draw a line right here going up. Whoop, that was lightning. So I go in with the brush and I just dab 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 and kind of like blend it in. So the reason for doing this line right here is so that, my gosh, the thunder is so loud. So the reason for doing the line is just so that my eyes are lifted, you know, it's not droopy. And then I kind of go in with the concealer on my lid as well to get rid of any dark areas. Add some concealer right here and then right here to highlight those little areas. Usually I just use whatever's left over on the brush to buff into these areas up here. I don't like to add too much product to my forehead because I don't like my forehead looking all caked up and fake. And then what I like to do to define my eyebrows is use a brush like this to draw the line under my eyebrows. Hey guys, so this adds a little bit more definition to the eyebrows and it also highlights the brow bone. I'm gonna add some translucent setting powder. This is from Maybelline. You can get it at any drugstore. What you want to do is put the translucent powder in all the areas that you highlighted with the concealer. And instead of drawing a line with the concealer, I like to use the powder to kind of just do this. To highlight the jawline. So I'm not gonna contour because, to be honest, I don't like contouring. It takes time, a lot of patience. You have to like work it in, buff it out. I like a more natural look, so that's why I do this. And then what usually just like adds some definition to my cheekbones, because I have high cheekbones, is I use blush. So I have this on the go blush. It's a moisture stick from Pixie. You can get this from Target, you can get it from any drugstore. And then I just like draw a line right here. To give it a more natural look. It's not looking natural right now. I look like a clown, but go ahead with a brush. I'm using my foundation brush and I'm just gonna like stipple it in. So just do this. So once you've kind of just like buff that in, whatever is left, you kind of just want to, you know, bring it all over so you look like you have some blood in your face. That's what I do. Ooh, I like how it's looking. I'm a fan. Okay, we're not gonna contour our nose because, you know, we like our nose. We're just gonna leave it as is and just make it pop, you know. And for the eyes, what I want to do is use my Stila palette I just want to use like a reddish nudish color, nothing too dark, to go into the creases of my eyes, to add some definition there so you guys can see. You could either stop here, but I like to wear liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna just do a little bit, nothing too dramatic, but just to kind of enhance my eyes a little bit. Mascara, put the mascara on. What I like to do as a final touch is use some highlighter. So I'm using the Stila highlighter. This is called Bronze. it's just a Stila highlighter. Take a generous amount and then add it to the corner of my eye. This will make my eyes pop, you know, because there's nothing dramatic or too dramatic happening. So adding a little glow to the inner eye will just make you sparkle a little bit, you know. Okay, I also like to add it to the top of my lip, the Cupid's bow, I think that's what it's called. Nothing, not too much. You don't want it to be too dramatic. Take another brush, get some, add it to the tip of your nose. Make that baby shine, but not too shine, you don't want to overdo it. And then add it to right here to add some glow, some definition to the bridge of your nose. And do not forget your cheekbones. You want to bring it up. Okay, what I also like to do is add a little bit of highlighter to my neck and my clavicle, like right here, right here. Yep. The last step, the last thing we're gonna do is set it using the setting spray that I used before. I'll let that dry. And voila, this is my look. It's very simple. That's what it's supposed to be. So guys, if you like this video, if you like this look, leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I do make up videos every now and then. To be honest, this is the best that I've ever done makeup so far. So like if you look in my videos, you'll see over time like my makeup has drastically improved. But I like it. I like this. It's not too difficult to do. I think this is very beginner friendly. So yeah, let me know if you like it and let me know what else you want to see. Bye guys.